Hi guys, it's Leanne. How are you? Hope you're having a good day so far. Today we're gonna do something that's gonna make somebody's day. We're gonna take some paper and make some banners that say thank you for delivering our mail, thank you for picking up our trash, all the things that people do that help us and are not maybe the safest things. They have to be really careful with germs and stuff. So we appreciate that because it makes life easier for us. And another one we could do would be just something to encourage our neighbors that we put out on our front door or our mailbox that says something like, we're gonna make it, it's okay, take it easy, take a deep breath, something smiley and cheerful. Anyway, maybe just smile or a smiley face. So one thing I did was I found some flowers in a magazine, pictures of flowers, so I thought that'd be fun to cut out like for the mail person and put on their banner. And also markers, so you can just draw and whatever. And glue, need some glue, scissors, and I have different colors of paper. Some of them are heavy, like this. Some of them are lightweight. So if you have a lightweight one, I'll show you something else we can do about that. But if you have some heavier paper, that's awesome to start with. Otherwise, another thing you can do is take a box and cut it, and you get this nice piece of brown stuff, and you can make a banner out of that. So there's a lot of options here. I'm gonna start with this one, really bright yellow. And what I'm gonna do is cut a little shape on the bottom to make it kind of like a, I don't know, some kind of a King Arthur banner or something. So I just drew that little shape I'm cutting up, and then down to the corner, and then I end up with that, which kind of looks cool, I think. Another thing that you could do is take one, let's see what would be a nice color. So take like this pretty green, and then cut the bottom with little like shapes like this. And the great thing about this is it's, you know, an expression of joy. We're just having fun. So it's not, we don't have to make this like exactly whatever. I'm cutting inside the color of my lines, but you could cut outside it. But see, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's very cute. And I think it would make the mail person's day to come and see this hanging on the mailbox saying, thank you for delivering our mail. How many people thank them? So anyway, that's cute. And then another thing you can do, take another color of paper. I'm gonna use one of my thin ones. Super bright pink. Cut a little strip. Maybe I'll cut 2 strips. And then glue it on there. Sort of makes it more of a little border on the end. See? Push that down a little bit. Then I'll cut another piece for the top. Put some glue on there. And then put that a little bit down from the top so it makes more stripes. I'm gonna move some of these papers out of the way here. Right? Okay. So there's one almost done right there. I'm gonna put a little flower on that. I think that might be for the mail person. So here's my flowers. And I'm just gonna kind of cut them out. Like a big bouquet. I'm not going exactly around them. They're very pretty though. Try and get most of them in there. All right. Get a little bit of that green down on the bottom. Cut it around there. Woo, that's a lot of flowers. I don't think I have room on there for all those if I want to say a message. So, what will I do? I think I'll cut part of it out. And then be able to use the rest for something else. Cut this big flower in the middle. Maybe this pretty yellow one over there. Orange one. Okay. Now maybe I don't need quite this much greenery down here. Alright, there I got some pretty flowers. Also, we can draw our own flowers or cut them out of paper and glue them on. So I'm going to put that kind of like this. Okay. And now I'm going to write the message. So this one's for the male person. And I'm going to say, thank you for delivering our mail. I'm gonna put a big exclamation point. And I might decorate that a little more, the words. I could do that, I could. And then I might draw some little bit more stuff to make that a little more decorated. I think what I'm gonna do right now is just put a pretty ribbon on it, or a piece of string, piece of yarn. You could use yarn, you could use string, you could use other kinds of string, you could use ribbon. Oh, ribbon might be pretty here instead of yarn. I think I'll do that. So I'm going to take a piece of ribbon and I'm going to make like a loop of it for the top. Well, you can't really see that. Anyway, you just need a piece a little longer than the top, right? Something a bit longer than the top, I guess. And I'm going to turn that over and put my ribbon like this. Doesn't want to stay. And then I'm going to take a piece of cardboard. You could take a piece of cardboard from a box, or you could take another piece of paper that you have. I'm going to use the piece of cardboard. So I'm just going to cut a little strip of that. And then I'm going to take my glue. Like that. And then glue it onto the ribbon. Can you see how I'm doing that? So here's the ribbon going through the underneath the cardboard that has the glue on it. Oopsie, I need to get this other piece under here. Pull that up, stick that under. Okay, so that's that. Now, I'll push that down good. And then we just need to let that dry. And then, do you see how that is? It has a little, hard to see here. Put it maybe against a piece of paper. Okay, so it's got a little loop, right? of string or ribbon or whatever. That makes it pretty, and also it makes it so you can hang it over your mailbox thing, the little flag on your mailbox, or over the front of your mailbox, but probably the flag would hold it better. So once it's dry, you can take that and put it out there and make their day. You might want to decorate it with little stickers up here, or do some more drawing, like, get those, and like do some, show you that better over there. Just do some little stripes maybe at the top. Whatever makes you happy. I like to do this. And then maybe with another color, green. Right. So you can do anything you want, right? Maybe add a little bit to these. That's kind of fun. And I'll decorate just the outside of that then. So you get the idea. Personalize it your way. Maybe you'll find a picture in a magazine of somebody smiling, or a cute little animal. Put that on there. Anyway, thank you for delivering our mail. That makes me feel good to do that, and it's gonna, I think, give the mail person a smile. And then there's one to do for the people that pick up the trash. So I'm gonna say that. Thank you for picking up our trash. And then I think I'll take another one, maybe this blue or pink. Use pink. Anyway, you know, you can use lots of colors, and make one for my neighborhood, my neighbors, just to say something. We can do it. We're almost there. Or just a smiling flower. Anything that you think would lift somebody up, a heart. Think about it. So, it feels good to make somebody's day. I enjoyed seeing some of you on Sunday. That made my day. So I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you again soon. Mwah.